Welcome to Daily English Words TV.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. You will learn 25 bathroom vocabulary words in English. Let's go to the bathroom and start learning. Listen and repeat after me. 1. Shower, shower. We use it to wash our body. 2. Bathtub, bathtub. We take a bath here. 3. Toilet, toilet. We use it in the bathroom. 4. Sink, sink. We wash our hands here. 5. Mirror, mirror. We look at ourselves here. 6. Toothbrush, toothbrush. We use it to clean our teeth. 7. Toothpaste, toothpaste. We use it with a toothbrush. 8. Towel, towel. We use it to dry our body. 9. Soap, soap. We use it to clean our hands. 10. Shampoo, shampoo. We use it to wash our hair. 11. Conditioner, conditioner. It makes our hair soft. 12. Toilet paper, toilet paper. We use it in the toilet. 13. Bathroom mat, bathroom mat. We stand on it after bathing. 14. Faucet, faucet. Water comes from here. 15. Bucket, bucket. We carry water in it. 16. Mug, mug. We use it to pour water. 17. Sponge, sponge. We use it to clean. 18. Razor, razor. We use it to shave. 19. Comb, comb. We use it to arrange our hair. 20. Hair dryer, hair dryer. It dries our hair. 21. Trash bin, trash bin. We throw waste here. 22. Shower curtain, shower curtain. It keeps water inside the shower. 23. Hand wash, hand wash. We use it to clean our hands. 24. Air freshener, air freshener. It makes the bathroom smell nice. 25. Cleaning brush, cleaning brush. We use it to clean the bathroom. Great job! Now you know 25 bathroom vocabulary words in English. Which words do you know? Comment below. Like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. Thank you! See you in my next video.